so.
Cricket. Come on.
Here, back up for a minute, because he recognized the camera as being evil.
Wiggle your hair around. Poof.
Okay, there we go. And stop it, hit it again.
Camper.
Really good.
No, hold on. He's getting feisty again. Those are terrible little attack noises. They're cute, but they're terrible little attack noises.
Oh, I'm dizzy now. Is it focused still?
I don't know.
Probably not.
He can do that for several minutes and not breathe, apparently.